Bothered by the amount of hair getting stuck on your hairbrush? Is your scalp occasionally itchy? It's beginning to bother you? Can you observe some dandruff building up and it's now affecting your confidence? Do you think your hair is dull and lacks natural luster? And are you worried that your mane seems to be graying fast? These scenarios are something a lot can relate to. Hair trouble is something both men and women regardless of age will experience. But just because many are suffering from these conditions, it does not mean there is no solution to this hair trouble. There is a natural solution to these hair problems. These relief and remedies come in the form of black seeds. Black seed or black sesame seeds are majorly present in Asia. It is a tiny, flat, oily seed that grows from the Sesamum indicum plant. This plant has been cultivated for thousands of years. Due to its popularity, other regions in the world started growing them too. In Asian countries like Thailand, people swear by its effectiveness. Black seeds are claimed to be rich in antioxidants. This property can protect the body from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is the imbalance of free radicals and antioxidants in the body. This condition can result in cell and tissue damage. This occurrence is also known naturally as the aging process. Consuming black seeds is said to be a good anti-aging regimen. Black seed oil is a good source of vitamins and minerals such as copper, manganese, calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, phosphorus, vitamin B1, amino acids, selenium, and dietary fiber. Black seed oil possess anti-inflammatory properties. All these components are helpful in one's heart, bone, joint, skin and hair health. Let's go over the benefits of black seed oil can offer to one's health. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe Alpha Health channel and hit the bell notification for future content. Now let's start the video. First, black seed oil's antioxidant property can help tissue regeneration. It can be taken in capsule or liquid form. It can delay the development of chronic diseases related to age such as diabetes. Second, black seed oil as a natural remedy for dandruff builds up on the scalp. Due to black seed oil's antifungal and antibacterial properties, yeast growth on the head is halted. Just massage your scalp gently. Continuous application of the home remedy can decrease dandruff occurrence. Third, the black seed oil is rich in the antioxidant thymoquinone. It can reduce inflammation. Black seed oil and brain inflammation is carefully being studied and hopefully, in the future, it can achieve good discoveries for degenerative diseases like Alzheimer and Parkinson's disease. Fourth, black seed oil can hydrate, moisturize and soften the hair. This is due to the tissue repairing action black seed oil possess. You can expect a shiner mane with less to no occurrence of split ends. It can also maintain your hair's natural color and premature graying of hair will be prevented. Wear your hair with pride and catch everyone's attention because you are glowing. Fifth, black seed oil can promote hair growth. The black seed oil contains omega-3. That promotes blood circulation on the head. This rapid action can trigger the hair to grow faster. With adherence to this practice, hair will thicken and grow again soon. Sixth, black seed oil can also prevent the dreaded hair loss. Applying black seed oil will strengthen the hair follicle's attachment to the scalp. You don't need to worry about hair loss during combing or brushing your mane. Soon enough, the breakage will lessen and hair fall will just be a thing of the past. Most of the benefits shared are hair-related. The question now is, can you apply it daily? It is possible to do your own black seed oil treatment at home? Yes, it is possible to do black seed oil treatment at home. First, before shampooing your hair, apply the black seed oil. The second, massage gently and let it settle in for at least 30 minutes. If you can do it longer, the better. If you want to extend the regimen, you can do it before sleeping. And overnight, let it stay on your mane. Just make sure you have a towel over your pillow or laying on a pillowcase you don't mind getting oily. Lastly, after 30 minutes or the morning of the next day shampoo, you are fair. Feel the difference it can make. Treating your crowning glory and witnessing the difference is a great mood and confidence booster. Thank you for watching to this point. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future content.